We are currently in New Mexico, and today I'm going to be doing a tour of my $7,000 schoolie conversion. Come on and check it out. I bought this bus for $5,000 and I spent $2,000 on renovating it. In the description is a link to the time frames and cost structure. We have a bunch of different compartments. This compartment here, I keep a lot of the medicine, kind of like a medicine cabinet, first aid kits, things like that. Up here is where I keep all my food. So I have a food stash. It goes really deep back. So I keep all my food in there. And then this is the electric panel here. This bus actually has 66,000 miles currently. And it's a 12-year-old bus. So that's a pretty good deal because I got it for $5,000. Over here is the electric box. If you notice in the back, we unhooked a lot of these things specifically for the heater because we removed that, the manual warning because we removed that, and some of these other, like the auxiliary fan, we don't use either. In the kitchen area, we have a sink. The sink is a crank sink, so when you crank it, the water comes out. Underneath of here, there's one bin that collects dirty water that drains through, and then the other one is clean water that cranks up through. From time to time, we have to replace this, but it's very functional. Also under here, I have a propane burner that sets up here so I can fry things or boil water, the basic essentials, and I also have plates inside here as well. The fridge is great because I don't necessarily have to use it. Currently, I'm not using it. When I go to campgrounds that has electric hookup, I can plug this in and keep things cold, meat, things like that. But for the time being, I'm not using it. I usually eat more non-perishable items. In this cabinet, I have my dirty clothes and also several clean clothes bins, and I'll show you those in a sec. Here are those bins that I was referring to. The one on the right is clean water, the one on the left is dirty water. And then you can see here, these are just the basic cooking utensils as well as plates and things like that. There I keep Tuney's bowls, water, food. There's the dirty clothes and the clean clothes. Back here is the sleeping area. That is where I sleep. That's my bed. This is the battery and the inverter. The battery is charged by solar panels that I put out when it's sunny outside. Just more storage in here. I keep the coffee pot in there that I can run off of this inverter. In here is more storage. And then down below is the toilet area. It's very basic composting toilet. On the bench, this is where I spend most of my time here. Tuney sleeps right here, and I usually hang out here and read or blog. And underneath of this is a lot of storage as well. I'll lift it up here so you can see. So we have bins in here, other hats and gloves and things like that. One of my favorite parts of the bus is actually the shoe cubby that we put in here. So when I come in or out of the bus, I can set things in there. Now I'm going to take you around to the back of the bus and show you more storage options that we have. So back here, we can open this up, and as you can see, there's a ton of storage in here. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm currently in New Mexico. I'm traveling around the country, and if this is something that interests you, be sure to subscribe to the blog or YouTube channel to get the latest posts in your inbox.